Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove streak through in Excel. So very easy way guys, just select that cell, select that text, okay. Now right click on it and click on format cell and here unselect this streak through and click on OK. So now we can remove. Similar way, select text, right click, format cell and unselect this effect. You will see here effects. So unselect streak through and click on OK. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. And guys, if you have streak through in all lines, so easy way to remove streak through from all uh, text. So firstly select that one for remove. Okay, now select this corner, this one, and do like this. So you can remove streak through in just one click. So thanks for watching. Please guys support my channel and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.